$1,000, well, it sounds too good to be true, making $1,000 in a single day. However, in this video today, we're going to see what are some of the things that are a requirement that indeed should be in place for one to ideally make $1,000 in a single day. However, if you haven't subscribed onto our YouTube channel, please do such that you enjoy the content that we happen to release. You can also visit other social media platforms of ours, that is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn. Just type in FX Kampala. You'll find such amazing affirmative information. You can also click onto the bell that is either here or here, and you'll be among those few people that are notified every whenever we happen to release such content. Now, the number one thing is ideally for one to make $1,000 is what we can call sufficient trading capital. Now, so the more capital you have, the more money you're literally going to make. So you realize that if someone has gotten enough capital, if someone has gotten enough money, then it's going to be easier for them to make more profits, to make more money, and therefore it's going to be easier for them to make $1,000 as per the question, which is the title of this particular video. So the other thing that can enable you make $1,000 in a single day is actually the leverage. Leverage is that tool I have recently created a video discussing and telling you people what leverage is. So the bigger the leverage, it's actually a tool that we normally use that will enable us make more money using the small amount of money we have. So if you have the aspect of leverage in your trading, if you're relatively using bigger leverage, then there are higher chances that you're going to make money using the small account that you have to, to make more money. And therefore, this becomes easier for you to make $1,000 as per the title of this video. So with the help of leverage, with the small capital that you're having, but using bigger leverage, then it becomes possible, it becomes easier for you to make $1,000 in a single day. Then the another component, the other aspect that can enable you make more money, trading forex, that is $1,000 in a single day, can be volatility. Volatility, we happen to look at the volume, we happen to look at the speed, the rate at which markets happen to move. Now, if you are on a good day and the markets happen to move with bigger volatilities or with bigger volatility, then you can make $1,000 in a single day. So that's why we happen to tell you that whenever you look forward trading, it's important for you to look out for those pairs that have high volume traded in a single day, especially the major pairs, the exotic pairs, and so on and forth. So these ones can enable you make big moves. In return, can help you make $1,000 because of the displacement into the market, because of the big movements into the market. Hence, making $1,000 as per the question. So with this, it's possible for you to make $1,000 trading forex. Having an effective trading strategy. If you have an effective trading strategy, and this strategy is mainly effective, especially strategies that are for scalpers, strategies that work out with the breakouts in the market, strategies that work with news trading, then they can enable you make $1,000 if they are effective, if they are good, and probably you can always aim for $1,000 in a single day. So with this, it becomes easier, it becomes possible for you to trade this amount of money. Trading discipline, when you have trading discipline, avoid emotional trading, then it's another component. If you trade like you're trading like a robot, if you trade with what we consider as iron discipline, then it's going to be easier for you to make $1,000 because this is what you want out of the market. And the moment you start trading this without any aspect of emotion in it, then you're going to make a lot of money. And by this, we can align the amount of money that you are making as $1,000, which answers the question if literally one can make $1,000 in a single day. The other one is experience and skill. The more experienced a trader someone happens, to have in a certain field, more so when it comes to trading, then it can ideally becomes easier because of the faults that can come in. This person is well prepared. They know all the inaccuracies, all the occasions that may come in along the way. So they can forego this because they are experienced, and this can enable them make a lot of money trading, forex, which eventually answers our question if literally one can trade and make $1,000 in a single day. So with all these things that we have talked about, there can be key components. They can be pivotal points for us to look up to. They can be our benchmarks. If we are literally looking more money, for this case, we are looking at $1,000 in a single day. However, it's not a guarantee that when we are trading, we should specify a certain amount of money that we should always look for in the market in a single day. Why? Because we have good days and we have bad days. Therefore, we are saying that yes, you can make $1,000 in a single day, but you shouldn't make it mandatory. You shouldn't make it, something that you should always look up to. However, if you literally need to make $1,000, then some of the things I've just talked about in a single day can be some of the reasons as to why, things that you should you should lean over to make $1,000 in a single day. At the beginning, I shared my contact. Don't hesitate to contact us in any case you happen to find any challenges here and there. I would love to stop from here. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.